Meaning of French Canadian.
French Canadian.
French Canadian.
French Canadian.
French Canadian. French Canadian refers to people of French ancestry who live in Canada and have a distinct culture and language. This group of people originated from French colonizers who settled in present-day Quebec during the 16th century. The French Canadian community is known for its rich history, unique traditions, and contributions to Canadian society. The people speak primarily French, which is also recognized as an official language of Canada. The culture is a blend of European and North American influences, including food, music, and literature. Today, French Canadians are an integral part of Canada's diverse and multicultural society.